APC national chairman Comrades Adam Oshomole don tell APC governors say make dem begin pay the 30,000 minimum wage. Dis ogbonge informate so na on top with tori for today, as All Progressive Congress national chairman Comrades Adam Oshomole don follow all the APC state governors talk say make dem begin pay the 30,000 minimum wage wey dem talk say dem go pay. E follow dem talk dis matter for the Federal Government Progressive Governors Forum (PALE), the one wey shele for Plateau Jos. E talk say as progressive make dem be the first people wey dem go pay the national minimum wage, and this one e go make sense sake of say e get some things wey dem suppose do as progressive governors. E come talk say e beg dem make dem carry dis matter put for front for all the matter wey dem wan do, say when other governors bin dey fight for the country say maybe dem go pay or dem no go pay, dem go fit talk say dem as progressive governors dem don pay. E come talk say when person ready to do something, wey go dey to take do am, the one wey oyinbo dey call when there is a will, there will certainly be a way. The APC national chairman come still call all the APC governors say make dem support federal government on top the border wey dem close. E don talk say make the border for the country make e dey close until all the other countries wey dey around Naija dem be begin all the trade matter well. For the interview wey Comrade Oshomole bin do with tori pipo, e come talk say im sef put im hand join for the autonomy matter, the one wey dey for local government dem for the country. E come talk say on top this local government financial autonomy, say dis one no be matter wey be say dem fit shake. E say federal government no dey control how state governor take dey spend their money, as e be say dis one too no go allow state government sef come dey control how local government go take dey spend. E come talk say e go make sense make local government dem make dem fit begin dey do their matter the way states take dey do with federal government, as dis one e go make sense, and make local government dem make dem stand on their own, and autonomy no mean say person no still dey under control. Comrades Adam Oshomole talk say the way federal government take dey follow state governor take dey talk on top money matter, na so state governor too go dey follow local government dey do if dem do money anyhow. E talk say dis one na im be the matter wey suppose play well on top revenue and other matter, the one wey concern the state. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as All Progressive Congress national chairman Comrades Adam Oshomole don follow APC governors dem talk as e beg dem say make dem begin pay the minimum wage give the workers dem, as dis one go show say progressives na dem na im be the number one on top the event matter for the country. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge informate wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.